Are you certified or planning to get certification? Big update for you. Xero has changed its policy in the last 1st October and including renewal routes, their exam format. If you are already certified, your level will automatically change. In this video, I shall explain everything in details. I am Abid Hussain Malik from Abid Financials. I am CPA, QuickBooks and Xero Certified. I create the videos to do the learning of new bookkeepers. I create the video for QuickBooks and Xero training purposes. In this video, I am going to show you the new policy which will affect on the old certified person as well as the new person. Old certification policy was very theoretical and very outdated systems, but the new policy system is very different from the previous one because it includes the practical demonstration of your work, and on applying these rules you need to give the answer of your certifications. And I shall now explain the comparison of old policy with the new policy systems, where you can analyze what has been changed and where these would affect. But previously the Xero system was offering only two certification. The first one was Xero Certification and the second one was Xero Payroll Certification. And here new policy has been implemented here, and you also need to renew your all certification after 12 months when you completed this one. But now this system has been changed, and I shall explain every concept one by one so you can get the clarification what has been changed in our new policy systems. First of all, the certification, the Xero certification has been replaced by three new step-by-step certification. The first certification name is L1 Certified Associate, and the second one is L2 Certified Professional, and the third one is L3 Certified Specialist. L3 Certified Specialist has not implemented now. It would be updated soon in 2026. Xero Payroll is same that was previously, and it is also same. There is no change in Xero Payroll certification. Second point is Reattempt. Previously, if you was fail, you need to give again certification after 30 days. That was shadow period. And then now if you are failed in a certification, you can appear within 24 hours. It's very positive point in the new certification system because you are already prepared and it would not waste your time, and you can again reappear in the certification. Second, third point is preparation method. Previously it was only self-paced method. After preparation of theoretical, you need to give the assessments in a MCQ format. But now the system has been updated. Now you have two methods. The first method is self-paced method. You can do at your own pace, and after that you can go for assessment certification exam. The second method is webinar. You can join the webinar. The expert trainer train you. You can ask live question and do the practical demonstration, and after completion of this you can go for your assessment exam. So this is a basic changes, and if you already have experience and already certified in Xero, you can skip these two things and you can directly go for exam, and you can appear and pass the certification without these theoretical materials. The passing marks, previously it were 80%, now it is also the 80% passing marks. There is no change. The only thing is that previously these were MCQs. You need to give the answer in like 1 hour or 2 hours, but now it's very totally different because you need to give answer the practically the demonstration after applying the policy you will be given a scenario and you will give the answers. The test time previously it was 1 hour and now it's 30 minutes. You need to complete in a given scenarios. Assessment, previously it was MCQs based, now it's a practical demonstration. You will change the setting of your demo company, like you will change your setting in a global, and then you will apply the changes. It will ask you to download the workbook where the policies are mentioned. You will change the setting of these policies in your demo company, and after setting up, you will be given a scenario in an exam. You shall apply them and give the answer accordingly. So previously there was no need of demo company. Now these are three different things you need to do practically in your exam. Validative, previously it was valid for 1 year when you do any certification, but now there is drastic change in, because you need not to renewal every certification. You need to only renew the certification whichever is higher. Like you have completed level 2 certification, so you need to renew every year only second level certification. If you are in a third like special certification, you need to only update the third level certification and no need to update level 1 level 2 yearly basis. Previously it was not a thing. You need to always renew every certification. So this is a very new change for Xero certification, and I like it very much. So it will save your time in a future as per your requirements. If you're busy, you can skip these ones. So previously there were two methods to renew your certification. The first one was quarterly updates. You need to review the quarterly updates and give the acknowledgement test and pass them. So every quarter, if you pass these 4 sessions, then you will automatically renew. Or there was another method that was annual system. At the year-end expiry of your certification, you only take to that test after a year, and you then your certification would be renewed. But now there is only one method. You need to only give one certification renewal exam, and after that a renewal exam of only higher of them. So this is the main difference. So you can give one exam and you will be totally renewed your certification. So there is another new update, that is CPDRs. If you opt self-paced method, this is like a review of their study materials, and then you go for a reassessment exam, then you will be allotted a CPDRs for that one. If you only go for exam, CPDRs will not be allotted to you, and this is a main benefit. Like QuickBooks, books also offer you the CPDRs if you go for a self-paced method, and they are also adopting this policy, and I think so it's very good for those professionals who need their CPDRs in a years, so they can complete their CPDRs in this method. So the cost, previously it was free, now it is also free. You do not need to pay any cost on these things. Transition rules, this is the main things you want to know. If you are already certified, what will you need to do? So don't worry, if you have already passed your certification in 2025, your certification will be replaced by 2 new certification, level 1 and level 2. These 2 badges will be allotted to you. There is no need to again do these certifications. If you are also have passed the Xero payroll certification, you will also be allotted new badges, new certification in your account. You can recheck your portal, you will be allotted these new badges. The second, yes, they have also updated their badges as well as their monograms. Previously these were only Xero certified, and now it will be shown level 1 associate certificate, level 2 professional certificate, and level 3 specialist certificate. So this is a main change in their certifications. The other things I would like to discuss, how you can prepare for your certification in these things. I would recommend, if you have time and you can do your own self, you should adopt self-paced method that is very good, as you can do slowly or in a fast way. Or if you are more practical and you want to do view the demonstration visual format, then you can go for webinar based. You can also ask the question whenever you have in a live chats, and they will also reply you in a webinar. So you should have a specific time. You should allocate 4 or 5 hours for this preparation, and there should be no others distractions. You should focus on this preparation, and you can pause in a one go policy. So this is main things. The Xero has updated their policy. It's very practical approach. I think this approach has not been adopted by anyone like QuickBooks and Zoho Books and other softwares. This is more practical and demonstrated. I love this because if you are a new bookkeeper or the practical accountant, you should have a practical demonstration of these things rather than theoretical, rather than these theoretical questions or MCQs. These are not relevant. I have seen most of the people have passed their certification, but they do not have a practical experience of these Xero certification. So I think so it's very good for your career because it's more practical the previous policies. So I like this one. Xero certification system focus on real skills, professional credibility, and this is a great chance for accountant, freelancer, new bookkeepers to go in the market and have a more practical experience. If you want to get this certification, you can go to the Google and search Xero certification, and on the first tab you shall select, and there you will see the landing page of Xero Learning Central, and here you can log in by giving your ID and the password, and here you will see if you have already earned these certifications. Like if you have already passed previous certification, you will also be allotted a level 1 and level 2 certification, and same for the Xero payroll certification. This is the same. Here you will see there are the 3 options: self-paced, and here you will see the webinar for level 1, and here you will see the assessment of the level 1. So these are the 3 different options you will see for level 1, as well as you will see for level 2 the professional certification. You will also find these options: self-paced, webinar, and the review assessments. So the third one is not available here. It will be soon launch in 2026. So this is like a reassessment certification. You can click this self-paced method, and here you will see their map of the certification. There are different sections you will review. Some are the 5 minutes, and the second are others are the 20 or 30 minutes. After reviewing these things, then you shall go for assessments. Here you shall click, and you will see their rules. They have 5 points. You need to focus on their certification, download the workbook. This is basically instructions or the policy you need to practically apply on this demo company, and after applying these policies, then you shall be eligible to appear in a reassessment exam. If you have passed this exam, you will be allotted the certification badge in your account within 24 hours. So the webinar is like for those people who want to want to see the live demonstration of these functions of the Xero. So it depends upon your preference, whichever you adopt. That's all for today. And if you want to learn about QuickBooks, Xero, and other accounting stuff, I have created these videos in my YouTube channel Abid Financials. You can scroll them for QuickBooks certification, their study material, their practice stuff, as well as for the Xero certification and their stuff. And if you want to watch the practical demonstration of Xero certification, I shall discuss this in our next video. Stay tuned with us. Please subscribe my channel, like, And if you have any query, you can comment in our comment section. I am available and I shall reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.